The first common reaction whenever we are afraid of something is for us to step back. Aatras muna, hihinto muna, para bang gusto nating tansyahin kung ano yung nakikita nating kinakatakutan natin. If a person is afraid of insects or bugs, he steps back away from the insect. Baka mangagat, baka makagat. If a person is afraid of heights, he or she would step back away from the ledge. Tatansyahin muna, sisilipin muna kung ano yung makikita at baka mas lalong malula. If we are afraid of the dark, we don't enter a room at once. We don't enter that dark room at once. Titingnan muna natin kung saan makakakita ng ilaw. Whenever we are afraid, there is always that sense of caution that we usually undertake. We are cautious to face the things that we are afraid of because there are a lot of things going in our mind with regard to the fear that we have to face. In our gospel, we hear the person possessed with a demon confronting Jesus. But it was not a confrontation wherein the demon was trying to fight with Jesus. It was a sign of fear. It was as if he was telling Jesus, "Don't come any nearer to me." The demon already knew what Jesus could do to him. Even if Jesus hasn't said anything yet, the mere presence of Jesus was already striking fear for the demon. The demon was afraid because he was in the presence of the ultimate good. Natatakot siya dahil nakikita niya yung isang dakilang kabutihan na nasa harap niya. In our first reading, St. Paul describes the movement of the Spirit of God and also its effect on us. If we have received the Spirit of God, then it is expected that we also know the actions of God in our life. And as we try to look in our lives, what kind of spirit do we possess? Do we also tremble before something that is good? Do we walk away from something that is good? Or do we mirror God's Spirit by our own actions? We may be different from the person that was possessed in our gospel, but there are times that we also fail to recognize the good in other people. We walk away from the good that is right before us. Minsan kung ano pa yung mabuti, yun pa yung ayaw nating makita. Kung ano pa yung mabuti, para bang yun ang kinakatakutan natin. Kung ano yung mabuting gawin, parang yun ang mas ayaw nating puntahan. But let us beg for the grace that we may truly hold on to the Spirit of God that we have received. And as we let ourselves be consumed by the Spirit of God, may we also hold steadfast to this grace, so that we may truly mirror God's goodness every moment of our lives.